Welcome to the introduction video of our tutorial. In this video, I would like to explain which product you are looking at and, in short, how to use it. Destination Moon Robots is the software working from the cloud which is used for automated trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. To use our robot, which is fully automated and hands-free, you need to have your own account on one of the three supported exchanges: Binance, Bittrex or Poloniex. Our system will be connected to your account using special API keys, which is completely safe. We offer several subscription plans for our robots. First is monthly plan, yearly plan, and infinite plan. These plans cost fixed amount of bitcoins and have no significant requirements. Second is a free profit sharing plan, which charges 39% of all profitable closed positions every month. It's a good chance to test our robots and pay only if any profitable positions were closed. Open positions are not calculated for invoice creation. Please note that this plan has a limitation of minimum traded amount for your account. Currently, it is set at zero point 0.5 bitcoins. It means you need to have this amount available for trading on your exchange account to use this plan. After finishing subscription, you will be able to connect your exchange account, select and configure automated robots for it. This will be explained in the next videos of our series. Also, in the next video we will explain how and where to buy bitcoins.